Hello, testing, testing. I'm doing this so late today. Hello, good morning, or afternoon, evening, whoever you are. I'm so tired. Flying Bee says hello. Hi, hello. It's so late in my time zone right now, it's like 12 p.m. I'm very tired, but I'm kind of happy at the same time. The big project that I've been working on at work is basically done. Finally, I stayed so late today doing the work. Hopefully, well, I can't guarantee anything, but hopefully the next few weeks are gonna be more chill than this week. But yeah, finally, the project that, well, this project was actually supposed to be another person's project, like a more senior engineer's project, but that senior engineer left, and hence that project was handed to me. I felt like it was a bit above my skill level, but I was able to do it. So yeah, that's kind of why I'm doing this very late today. Flying Bee says, my PC is very lagging in Windows. Is it good to install Linux Mint for VS? Oh, I have no idea. I'm not an expert in Linux. If your PC lags in Windows, won't it lag for Linux too? Hold on, ChatGPT, the best friend. Will using Linux Mint versus Win be faster for my PC versus Windows or VS Code? Oh, Linux Mint is likely to be faster than Windows for running VS Code on many systems, especially if your PC is older or has limited resources. What, really? Here's why. Lower system resource usage. Uses far fewer system resources than Windows. Ooh. You might be right, actually. According to ChatGPT. I know nothing about Linux. Yeah, the answer is maybe. You might be onto something. Okay, this is today's Leetcode problem. Leetcode 153, find minimum in rotated sorted array. It's a median problem. Suppose an array of length n, sorted in ascending order, is rotated between 1 and n times. For example, the array nums is equal to this. This whole shtick might become this if it was rotated 4 times. Yeah, makes sense. And this if it was rotated 7 times. Notice that rotating an array 1 time results in the array this. Given the sorted rotated array nums of unique elements, return the minimum element of this array. Okay. I think we kind of mapped this out last time, didn't we? But we didn't implement it. Okay, let's copy our example over here. So we have 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Oh yeah, in case you didn't understand the problem is given a sorted array that's rotated like this. So it's like kind of sorted, but kind of shifted to the left or right. Given this array, find the minimum element using log n time. So that's the tricky part. You can't use a O of n log algorithm, which means you can't just start from the left, iterate left to right, and then track the minimum. You gotta use some sort of binary search algorithm. So binary search kind of works like this. You have a left pointer and a right pointer. You keep sampling your middle element. In this case, it's 5. And usually you would go left or right depending on I guess if the middle element is less than or greater than your target. But in this case, it's kind of trickier because the array is rotated. Okay, so if my m is 5, my r is 2, then I kind of know for sure that my, tiny chunk is on the right side, right? I'm referring to this part as the tiny chunk, like where things begin at the minimum and slowly go upwards. So then you'd be like, okay, time to push my range to the right. So my left goes here, my right stays the same. Your middle element, what's your middle element for this one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 4 is 7, divided by 2 is 3. So your middle element would be here, same place as L, and you're like, okay, M is 1. Is that less than or equal to, less than or greater than 2? It's less than. So you would move your R to the left, equal to M. Yeah. I guess it's like this because there's a chance that M could be... You would set your R equal to M because there's a chance that M could actually be the solution because it's less than something. Yeah. Okay, looking at this pattern then, the algorithm would be something like... So you keep taking your M's, keep sampling the middle element. If M is greater than R, then you would shift your range to the left. M is greater, so probably L is equal to M plus 1. We don't even need to consider M, so we can just add 1 because M is greater than something. There's no way that it's the minimum. Else, if M is less than or equal to L, then you shift your right pointer to the left. So then R is equal to M. Yeah, because M could be the solution. There's literally an equal sign here. Less than or equal to. Yeah, so this would be like this case over here. M is less than R. Yeah, and then you keep doing this until L is not less than R, right? Which means they've converged. I think that's it. No? Am I allowed to... rectangle? Okay, I wanted to save this picture. I don't know if my current software will allow that. Copy. Oh. Oh, cool. Hey, I can shift it this way. Okay, it's time to start implementing that. I think I have an idea of how to do this. Which button was I even pressing? It doesn't matter. Okay, time to start implementing. So I have a left pointer. Left is equal to 0. No semicolons were in Python. Right is equal to nums. Oh, I forgot in Python length is like this. Length nums minus 1. And then while left is less than the right, you do your whole sampling the middle value, huh? So M is equal to left plus right divided by 2. Does integer division work the way I think it does in Python? Let me just print it out just in case. Middle element is equal to nums m, just as a sanity check. So, okay, so based on our observations on the left, if, and should we take out? No, I think it's fine. If nums m is greater than nums right, then left is equal to m plus 1. Else, right is equal to m. Yeah, so we're guaranteed to change left to right every time, right? So it's probably going to converge eventually. Well, it has to converge. And then in the end, we return any of these like left. Maybe they'll become the same, most likely. Run the code. Indices must be integers or slices, not float. Oh. Wait, what? Middle element is equal to nums m. Let's print out what m is. Dang it, does Python division not work the way I think it does? Let's just print out m. M is 2.0, no. How do I do this in Python? How do I make it an int? Python, how to turn to int after division. Oh. This is floor division, that's what we need. Oh, what we need is floor division. Divide by 2. Result will be 2. Yeah, that's exactly what I need. Oh, I should write this down. Am I getting out my notebook? Hold on. Dang, I totally forgot about floor division in Python. Okay, you can't see this, but I'm currently writing in a notebook. Division. Floor division. Wow, got another one today. Okay, let's revert to nums m. Wrong answer. Output was 3. Why 3? Okay, so our middle element was 5, that's correct. And then it became, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I know what's wrong. We're returning the index, we're not returning the actual number at the index. Num left. That should do the trick. Plural nums. Let's go, we did it. Submit. I don't think my Elden Leetcode extension is working yet. It's not playing. No. Well, 100%, let's go. I wonder what the fastest solution is. Left comma right is equal to 0. Oh, I forgot you can do this. You can instantiate all variables in one line, huh? While left is less than or equal to the right. Yeah, floor division. If left is less than or equal to nums. Oh, what's this? Return nums left. You're straight up returning something here? If nums is less than or equal to nums right. Okay, I don't quite get that one yet, but if nums left is less than or equal to nums mid, oh, this is a case we took care of. Left is equal to mid plus 1. Wait, I don't get it. Left is less than or equal to nums mid. What are they doing here? Left is equal to mid plus 1. Why are they converging to the right if nums left is less than? Else right is equal to mid. Wait, this is something like I did, right? Oh, this is the opposite of this condition. Yeah? Oh, is this like a really like a shortcut condition that you can do? So I guess for my example here, we start at 5. If left is less than nums mid, yeah, okay, so this means you're on the bigger chunk here. Yeah, I see. Else right is equal to mid. Yeah, these are the same as my conditions. Wow, that's fast. We did this in like 15 minutes. Cool. Shall we do another one? Search and rotated sorted array. Go. Leave. Also, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Enjoy the music, by the way. Pew. Okay, I'm back. Next problem. Search in rotated sorted array. Medium problem. There is an integer array nums sorted in ascending order with distinct values. Prior to being passed to your function, it is possibly left rotated at an unknown index. Krishna says hi. Hello Krishna. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. What time is it in your time zone? Are you based in like Asia, India? Yeah, so the array is possibly left rotated. Okay, yes. The way they describe rotation is so complicated. For example, this might be left rotated by 3 indices and become this. Given the array nums after the possible rotation and an integer target, return the index of the target. If it is in nums or -1 if it is not in nums. You must run an algorithm with log n runtime complexity. Okay, so in this problem you're given a rotated array where, again like the previous problem, it was originally sorted, but the indices are like shifted left or right. So it becomes like this. And then your goal is to return the index. Right? Is it the index? Yeah, return the index of a target. So in this case, my target is 0, so I would return 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the catch is I have to do this in log n time, so it has to be some sort of binary search algorithm. I can't just search from left to right and say, oh, 0 is at 4. That won't do because it's not log of n, that's O of n. Krishna says, India, 12:30. Afternoon? Ooh. It's afternoon in India currently. Actually, I'm streaming really late right now. It's like 12 a.m. midnight. I came back home really late from work because I just finished a really big project. I'm kind of happy about that. I'm very tired, but I'm happy. I just had like 2 big back-to-back projects in a row. Last 2 weeks were like horrible in terms of time I spent at work. Which is why I missed a Wednesday video too. I usually post on Wednesdays. Did not have time to edit and was too tired on the weekends. But yeah, I'm happy that the projects are done. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the next couple weeks are more chill, I suppose. Yeah. Okay, How do we do this problem? It's some sort of binary search algorithm, huh? Okay, so let's say we're given, let's copy our example over here. So we're given 4, 5, 6, 7, and then this is the other chunk, the 1, 2. Krishna says, oh nice, I thought you shifted to somewhere. Ooh, what do you mean shifted to somewhere? Like at work, I changed jobs? Or like streaming time? Okay. We're gonna do some binary search again. Binary search, you have a left pointer and then a right pointer, right? You would sample the middle element. So 0, 1, 2, 3, wait, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is my middle element. Okay, what can I see from this middle element? I can see that, yeah, workplace. Oh. No, I've been working at the same place since like beginning of this year. Yeah, I've been at this place for like 8 months. Yeah, I still work at the LLM wrapper company. Yeah, it's a interesting place and an interesting time to work at this place too, because a lot of people are leaving this company. It's kind of concerning. We started from 7 engineers to right now there's 3 engineers. So that's why I'm starting to do more senior engineer tasks, because there's no more senior engineers. Well, there is senior engineers, but not in the sort of department that I work at, if you could call it a department. Krishna says, I'm currently pursuing final year of engineering. Ooh, congratulations. You made it far, man. Are you starting to search for jobs yet? Hope job searching in India isn't the worst right now. Okay, what do we do here? So, if L is less than M, then I can say that this chunk is like the sorted section, right? Right? And I can be like, yeah, if L is less than M, I can be like, okay, this part is the sorted section. Is our target in here? No, it's not. Yeah, so then I can focus my attention to this section. All becomes M plus 1. R becomes here. Yeah, and then I can take another sample value like here. This will be the middle. And then I can be like, okay, is L less than M? Yeah, so that's the sorted section. Is 0 in here at all? Is 0 less than or equal to, greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1? It is, okay. Well, yeah, how will we know what 0 is after this part? Is 0 less than or equal to, greater than or equal to L, or less than or equal to M? I guess you would just put your L and R here, right? L and then R are both here. And then you take your midpoint again. Yeah, a midpoint here. And then you're like, okay, in this chunker here, is 0 within the bounds from L to L inclusive? Yes, it is, so you put your R over here. Krishna says, yeah, it's really hard here. Ooh. I guess it's kind of like that in the US too. New grads are having a really hard time finding jobs. I don't know if it's because Well, from what I've heard, in America here, it's kind of hard for new grads because all the big companies during COVID, they kind of overhired. Like, for example, Amazon thought that everyone was going to stay home and use Amazon. So they overhired. And then after the pandemic, they had to fire a lot of people. So new grads got to compete with freshly fired FANG engineers in the job market. And then apparently AI is a thing now, so kind of hard, yeah. Krishna says we always compare with the sorted parts small. We always compare the sorted parts small. Yeah, I think I know what you mean. It's like this part, right? We also gotta watch out in case like M is like by any chance like here. Because then this part is the sorted section. Okay. I think I know what to do. So we gotta keep comparing M to left or right, and then see which part is the sorted section that we can actually, make comparisons with. And then depending on if our target is in the sorted section or not, we adjust the range accordingly. Yeah. Okay, time to start coding. How do I get rid of my mouse? Oh, here. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's start. So int left is equal to 0. We start a left pointer at the very left. I forgot there's no types in Python. Oh, hello Silo. Hello. How you doing? Are you having lunch right now too? Right is equal to length of nums minus 1. Crimson says hello. Oh, hello Crimson. Hello. How you doing? Is it lunchtime for you too? Are you eating? Are you eating well? Are you feeding yourself? Lane nums minus 1. Okay. And then while we do the whole left is less than the right, meaning they haven't converged yet. Okay, we gotta take samples of our middle values. So m is equal to left plus right. Floor division by 2. I just learned floor division today. Krishna says, what was that application you're drawing with? I was searching for that. Oh, it's called Web Marker. Web Marker Chrome extension. Yeah, this one. Web Marker, draw on websites. It's very handy. I don't need to open up another window to, draw out my thoughts, so it's very nice. And, alright. So apparently everything just disappeared. No. What in the world? This is so weird. It does Control Z all at once. Redo. Okay, there we go. Skipping lunch today, don't feel good. Ooh, hope you feel better soon. Do you know why you don't feel good? Fatigue, stress. College can be so stressful, man. I remember I got a B in college, which meant, well, in one of my classes in college, which meant I wouldn't be able to declare a CS major, and I'm just sitting in my bed so stressed and dreadful. Kurt just says, haha, sorry for that. Thank you. But it was fine. My grades eventually averaged out because I did better in other classes that I could declare my CS major, so yeah. My college was so strict with if you could like declare a CS major. Probably fatigue, feels like I'm gonna fall apart. Oh no, that really sucks. Get lots of sleep, yo. Maybe you should eat and you'll feel better. Don't worry, things are gonna be okay, man. College is really stressful. I was in college not too long ago too. College so stressful. Like your entire future depends on it. In some ways, but in other ways not. Should I take out m into a variable? Wait, I gotta do the thing here where compare if L is less than M. Maybe I should do some pseudocode first. Is this how you do a giant comment in Python? So the plan is if L is less than M. Silas says my exam is tomorrow. I'm designing a banner. What are you doing? Why are you designing a banner? For YouTube? Boy, get your priorities straight. You gotta study for the exam. Wow, that's why you're so stressed, huh? I kind of understand it though. It's kind of like taking your mind away from the exam so you don't have to think about it. I understand that so much. You can't run away from your problems forever though. What if the exam comes tomorrow? Okay, if left is less than m, that means that's a sorted part, right? So if L is less than or equal to target, less than or equal to M, then R is equal to M. Yeah, else that means it's not in the left sorted section. So L is equal to M plus 1. Yeah. And then else this is if M is less than or equal to R. So it says, yeah, I kind of need to do decision trees. Not gonna lie, mostly everything else done. Oh, okay. Well, you're almost there. Maybe designing a banner is like a good way to have a break. Who knows? M is less than or equal to R. So that means the sorted part is on the right side. Sorted part on right side. Okay, so what happens if the sorted part is on the right side? So if target is in here, right? If M is less than or equal to the target, less than or equal to R, then you gotta shift your range to the left. L is equal to, to the right. M. Else R is equal to, so this would mean it's not in the sorted section. N minus 1, N minus 1. Yeah, that's the algorithm, right? That's the algorithm. You gotta kind of, at least for me, I gotta think really hard about how to do this. Okay. I hope I got this right. R is equal to N minus 1. That makes sense, right? I think that makes sense. Also, to save space, I can totally do a all in one liner. Okay, so if num's left is less than num's m, and if num's left is less than or equal to the target, and num's and target is less than or equal to num's m, meaning it's on the sorted section, then right is equal to m. Else, left is equal to m plus 1. And then else, that means the right side is the sorted section. If num's m is less than or equal to the target, and target is less than or equal to num's. Why am I so bad at keyboarding? Then right. Then left is equal to m, because there's a chance that the element on m could be the target. Else, right is equal to m minus 1. This is the case where it's not contained inclusively in the sorted area, so you do m minus 1. Yeah. And then in the end, we gotta find the case if well, yeah, what happens if we don't have a solution? I guess we'll do something like they'll converge, right? Or they might overlap with each other. So if left is equal to the target, num's left eventually should become the target. If, right, the left should become the target. I think it'll become the target. If num's left is eventually target, then return left. Else return -1. Why am I doubting myself so much on this? Runtime error. Line 23. Oh, forgot a colon. What's going on here? Expected. Oh, I keep missing the colons. Please, work. Oh, it's not working, is it? I sense a time limit exception. Time limit exceeded. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Alright, well, time to print stuff out. I'm also going to move this comment upwards so it's easier to see. Maybe I'll move it here. Alright, what's going on here? Why are we... What could be wrong here? Oh no. Nums m. Okay, when in doubt, print stuff out. So m is equal to m over here and then print left. Nums left. And then print the right too. Right, nums right. Cool. This should give us some clues on what's going on. Okay, so we start left is equal to 4, 2, m is 3. I think it would be more helpful if we print out what nums m is. Nums m. Okay. So we start off with left 4, right 2, 7. And then left becomes 0. What's our target? Target is 0. Oh, we're doing this wrong. Left became 0 and right became 2. How did it become like that? Okay, let's think about what would happen here. So I'm like, if nums left, if nums left is less than nums m, that's true in this case, so we go down here. If nums left is less than or equal to target, and target is less than or equal to nums m, see, 4 is not less than 0. So that means left is equal to m plus 1. Why are we not doing that? Left becomes 0. Why does... Wait, I'm getting so confused. Oh, no. We're doing this right. Left becomes O2. Ah, okay. I forgot these are the actual values, not the indices. So left becomes 0 and right becomes 2. So we're looking at this range now. So yeah, we're on the right path. What happens next? O2. M is equal to 1. This is considered the sorted side, 0, 1. Left, right becomes 0, 1, 0 like this. Oh, so we're getting an infinite loop of 0, 1, 0s. What's going on here? Oh, interesting. Why are we doing that? Stop it. 0, 1, 0. M is 0. Why are we just doing nothing? So if m is less than or equal to the target, and target is less than or equal to nums right, left is equal to m. Yeah, the left doesn't move, does it? Left doesn't move at all. And target is less than or equal to nums right. This has to budge somehow. What if we do target is less than... Well, no. And target is less than or equal to nums right. Left is equal to m. Are we looking at the right thing? 0, 1, 0, 1, right? So we're like, okay, is left less than, equal sign? If left is less than or equal to nums m. So it could enter here on 0, 1. And then if left is less than or equal to target, yeah, and the right is equal to m. Oh, is that what we need? Just an equal sign here? There we go. I is a genius. That's kind of unintuitive though. You kind of just have to run through it and see it. Let's go, 100%. Ha, take that, Leetcode. How do I erase all this stuff? I'm gonna showcase my hundo. Alright. Get that thing out of the way. I'm surprised that it's 100% by the way. I still have print statements. But hey, I'll take it. Can just remove these print statements. Why is my Elden Ring extension not working? Let me see what the fast people do. Oh my goodness. There's a binary search thing. Left comma right is equal to 0. Okay. Well, left is less than right. Mid is equal to this. If nums mid is greater than nums minus 1, oh, the last element, left is equal to mid plus 1. So if the middle element is greater than the last element, I don't get it. Well, left is less than or equal to right. So if middle element is greater than the last element, left is equal to... Wait, I don't get it. Why are they doing this? Else right is equal to mid plus minus 1. They aren't even taking into account the target element here. But yeah, what's the point of this? Binary search target. Result is equal to binary search. You know what? I might have ChatGPT explain the solution to me. This is a solution to the Leetcode problem. Explain this solution, best friend ChatGPT. Find the rotation point. Index of the smallest element. Oh, interesting. So they're doing this to find the smallest element. Silo says, also, I'm still watching Don't Worry, I Know How It Feels. Ooh, thanks, Silo. I appreciate. Index of the small... Okay, so they're finding the pivot point. Find the index of the smallest element. And then binary search in both of our subarrays. Oh, that's kind of complicated. Triga says, hey, hello, welcome to the stream. Okay, I know what they're doing now. They're finding the smallest element. This is kind of like the previous problem, actually. And then binary searching both ends. Okay, that feels a bit complicated for me. I actually like my solution better. It might be a little biased though. What's the next problem? Threesome. Okay, we're probably gonna do threesome next time then. I still kind of remember how this one goes. Yeah, we'll do threesome next time. Oh, just realized my VC face was covering the entire time. Alright. I just noticed at the end of the stream, no. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream here. It's actually really late in my time zone currently. It's like almost 1 a.m. I came back home really late. So yeah, thanks everyone for coming. Thanks Silo. Thanks Trigun. Yeah, see you guys. See you guys soon. Bye. Where did my end stream go? Oh, here. Bye guys. Enjoy the music. Oh yeah, this is like custom new music. Bye Silo.